Hello everyone, welcome to part 1 of Aviyon 2.0, the revised version of Aviyon.com, the website that creates social networking websites. So alright, let's get on into it. This is me, Emmanuel Moore, and I'm bringing you Aviyon 2.0. So this is our actual logo. This is the one we use on Aviyon.com, and Aviyon 2.0 is sort of the code name for the revision that's being taken place. Alright. So what is Aviyon 2.0? So basically there's two focuses. And this one is the what we do or what we create. Basically social websites for large user-driven traffic. Sort of like Facebook, Twitter, LO, and things like that. We create items for apps and websites that are capable of viewing across all browsers and platforms like iOS, Android, and Windows. And there will be desktop versions mainly for Windows for the new Windows 10 setup. So we will be creating things for operating systems like that. Our websites will transcend into mobile versions, so users and people will be able to view them very nicely and they'll be very fully functional and handle traffic for low data usage like it normally would on a .com. So basically, when we create our social creations or our social networking sites, it's pretty much like Facebook or Twitter. You can comment, you can search your settings, post, like, share, anything you normally would do with those high-end sites. So every project that we create normally falls under a specific theme. For instance, gaming, fashion, business, movies. Everything we create is actually unique and from scratch. Specifically in the order, we sketch it, vectorize it, develop, code it, program it, debug it, put it under alpha and beta testing, and we make it live for feedback. And once it's actually put into the App Store on a .com, feedback will always be there to ensure that the user interaction is always up to date and working. And we also deliver weekly updates to premium and ultimate versions, which we will get into later in later parts of the web series. So the second focus, or the second part that we will be doing with Aviyon 2.0 is we're going to teach. We're going to teach people how to code, how to create their own social networking websites through various languages, not just PHP, through Python, Ajax, Objective-C, mostly for apps and things, Java, C, basically all programming languages variated with C, Ruby, MySQL, everything. We're going to teach them how to design, how to package their designs, what to aim for the target market. Normally the things that most people will look for when they create social websites or social apps, depending on how you look at it. And we will offer free code and downloads on our site, as well as quizzes and tests for paid users, and we'll get into that a little later. Right, so paid for the paid users, they will be able to take quizzes and tests. They will earn points. I'm not entirely too sure what the points will be for yet, but it will be for something nice, and it'll be pretty fun to take quizzes and tests on the various languages you will learn. And users can create an account. They can start projects themselves. And it is for free to sign up, and we will be able to help on their projects and give tips and things like that. So that is the answer of how people will get things done for free. Start a project, engage in Aviyon 2.0, post things, and you will get free help. So there's two versions, traditional and social. They now kind of transcend with one another, but social really highlights the social driven portion of Aviyon 2.0 or Aviyon.com. It's basically going to be like a project like Mara VGS that we have created. So you will be able to do things like that. So traditional is basically intended for information viewing, people to look at the projects, mainly for people that don't want to sign up or create a free account, or people just want to go and get some of our services, like have an app or web OS created for them. Social mode is fun. They can interact in our forums. They can, of course, earn points from tests and quizzes. They can post, comment, like, share, engage in settings, update user pics, banners, really make it their own. And there's tons more to that coming soon. So that's it. Traditional for information, social for the more involved people that want to post their projects and code and really make themselves known and connect with other people on Aviyon2.0 or Aviyon.com. So when we create this, like any other social site that we create, we're going to be creating it with Aviy, which is derived from C, and also we're going to code it with PHP and other various languages with C++. So it's basically going to be an app within many APIs, with all your APIs, so just one big operating system that's capable of doing many things at once without the crashing or with limited error. And of course, this will be spread out among several servers to help keep the cost down for data usage and for effective usage among the many users that will be on it at one time. So, like any other social creation, we will be posting photos on our social sites, our Facebook, Twitter, YouTube. If you haven't done it already, please follow us. And everything will be created from scratch using open source software. We'll also be posting videos like any other project. So that's correct. Aviyon2.0 is officially a project, and we'll be treating this like any other project. So there'll be several revisions and debugs before it's actually put on the code.nf, then on our .com. You can actually go to Aviyon.com and see how the previous website looks like and see why exactly we're doing this. Tons of things wrong with it. We just decided to throw it away and just start fresh. Alright, so the creator, coder, developer, programmer, all that, it's me. You can follow me at facebook.com /Emmanuel.more. Also follow Aviyon to keep up with the progress of Aviyon 2.0 and get tips and everything at facebook.com/Aviyon, Twitter, Aviyon.com, and so forth. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up with these web series. Alright, so thanks everyone. I look forward to seeing you in part 2. Thanks and goodbye. Hello everyone. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking, sharing, and giving us feedback. Please subscribe, follow, and like us on the various social media. Be sure to visit us at Aviyon.com to browse our projects, designs, and learn more about our many other services we offer. Learn how to get designs, projects, and more created for free.